Hello, my friends. Today, we will listen to a fun story. Are you ready? Let's go! Today's story is A Day in JoJo's Life. Morning time. I wake up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my arms and say good morning, JoJo. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. The cold water wakes me up. Brr. It's cold. Then I take a quick shower. Splish splash. Do you shower in the morning too? After my shower, I eat breakfast. Today I had toast with butter and honey and a cup of coffee. It smells so good. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit. What do you like for breakfast? Breakfast gives you energy for the day. After breakfast, I sit at my desk. I work from home. First, I turn on my computer. Then, I check my emails. Next, I write my to-do list. Today, my list says, record podcast, answer messages, plan lessons. Do you make to-do lists too? From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., I work on my podcast and YouTube videos. It is busy, but I love it. Lunch and break time. At 12:30 p.m., I make lunch. Today I cooked rice, vegetables, and chicken. I also made a little salad. After lunch, I take a break. I sit on my balcony, I drink tea, and enjoy the fresh air. Breaks are good for you. Afternoon time. In the afternoon, I work a little more. Sometimes I read a book. Right now, I am reading about traveling the world. It is very exciting. Do you like reading? What kind of books do you like? Evening time. At 5 p.m., I go for a walk. I walk in the park. I listen to music and watch the sunset. The sky turns orange and pink. It is so beautiful. At 7 p.m., I make dinner. Sometimes I cook soup. Sometimes I grill vegetables or fish. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Squeaky clean. Relax time. At 8:30 p.m., I relax. I sit on the couch. I watch a funny show on Netflix. It makes me laugh a lot. What do you watch at night? Bedtime. At 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I read a few pages of my book. Then I turn off the light. I say, thank you today. Good night. And I fall asleep. Quick recap. Today, you learned, wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, work from home, take a break, go for a walk, watch a show, go to bed. Great job! Thank you! Thank you for learning with me today. Please follow, share, and come back every week. You are doing amazing. I'm proud of you. Take care, stay happy, and keep learning English. See you next time. Bye-bye.